Military vehicles survive the most brutal environments on Earth, from 120-degree desert heat to choking sandstorms. They do not survive because of magic engineering. They survive because of a rigid, non-negotiable protocol called PMCS, or Preventive Maintenance Checks and Services. Before a single wheel turns in a combat zone, mechanics enforce a strict daily checklist that catches catastrophic failures before they happen. You can steal this exact battlefield protocol to make your civilian high-mileage truck run forever, and it takes less than 2 minutes in your own driveway. The core of the military PMCS protocol is not about replacing parts. It is about establishing a daily visual baseline. The biggest mistake civilian drivers make is opening the hood only when something sounds wrong or a dashboard light comes on. In a war zone, mechanics look for the wet and shiny rule. You are scanning the entire engine bay, the steering linkage, and the differential housing for any fresh fluids or clean metal exposed by abnormal friction. If a dust-covered engine block suddenly has a dark, damp streak, a military mechanic grounds that vehicle instantly. The next phase of the protocol focuses heavily on the cooling system, which is the leading cause of sudden battlefield strandings. Instead of just glancing at the rubber, you need to perform the tactical squeeze test. When the engine is completely cold, physically squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses. If they feel crunchy inside, overly rigid, or soft and spongy, the internal reinforcement is failing. A blown coolant hose in the desert is deadly, and on an American interstate, it usually results in a warped cylinder head and a completely destroyed engine. Finally, the protocol demands a strict physical inspection of the running gear before you ever put the key in the ignition. Grab the top of your front tires and violently push and pull them to check for wheel bearing play, then inspect the inner sidewalls for deep gouges or impact bubbling. By adopting this ruthless PMCS mindset instead of waiting for a breakdown, you are catching the $10 driveway problems before they turn into $3,000 highway disasters.